Hey everyone, welcome to Master in Our Garage. I'm Andrew. Today I'm going to go over to Mikey's and I'm going to show you how to remove and either replace or remove and reinstall a small block Chevy distributor the wrong way, but also the right way. But before we move on to the video, I'm going to ask you to like the video if you do like the video. I don't want you to like the video if you don't like the video. That's not how YouTube should work. Also, I got my Sam Squatch hat on and just wondering, go down in the comments. Tell me what you think about Sam Squatch. Is he real? Is he an interdimensional being? Or is he just a big fat phony? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's get on to it.
Come on.
All right, we're over at Mikey's. Say hey, Mike.
Hi.
I'll tell you very briefly of how we're going to get this thing ready to pull the distributor. It's really simple. This thing's one of the small block Chevys with the Vortec heads with the spider injector intake. And we've already done the spider injectors. How we're going to prep for this, I'm going to pull the top fan shroud and I'm going to try to take the fan off so we can turn the crank. And we're gonna pull off the little intake and make room so we can pull that distributor back there. All right, so we got everything taken apart. I can access the crank bolt to turn the distributor back there. Basically, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn the crank bolt, which will then turn this distributor. And what I'm gonna do is a lot of guys put it top dead center. I'm just gonna put it directly to the back. This little terminal on the rotor button, that is gonna be pointing directly at the firewall. And when you take it out, you know exactly where it's pointing. This is just for morons like you and me. So you point it directly in the back, and if you're putting the same distributor back in, you put it directly in the back and it should just drop right in place. We're putting a new distributor in because his is still good, but the casting right here broke in half on both ears. So that's basically why we're doing a new distributor. But these are relatively cheap and he got one relatively cheap, even in today's economy. Here you go, Mikey. Let me get...
That's right. That's right. Love the camera. Love the camera. Flail those arms. Throw the tools. Throw the tools. That's right. That's right. I want to get one shot with your hair flowing in the wind. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Love the camera.
Okay, that's enough.
If y'all wonder what's taking them so long, this is my toolbox. And
this is what I'm working with.
And the junk drawer. The junk drawer.
Oh, that might work. All right, Mikey, I want you to watch that rotor button. See if I'm going the right way.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. We're just spinning it.
All right,
So
one little more
pointed.
turn. One more turn should do it.
Yeah.
Does that look good
Right.
to you?
Yeah. I'm gonna turn it back the other way a little bit. Yeah, that's directly at the firewall. So,
What were you turning?
I was turning this crank bolt. There's a crank bolt down there, right there. Give that a little turny turn, and we're gonna take this distributor out. And this distributor is held in by one bolt, and it's on this side. Trying to get onto this bolt right here. It's not a 9/16. It might be a 1/2 inch, but it could be metric.
13.
Could be a 13, but we'll get it right the next time. Don't get it right, just try to get it. That's what I say. Oh yeah, now it's finger loose. Reach my dumb Sasquatch mitt in there and get it out of there.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Go back to Florida.
That's funny because my mom's dad came into town, and he's from Florida. They were talking about how they got lost in 5 Points. You gotta unplug this thing. His wife was going on about how people were looking at him and stuff, and I'm like, yeah, they were probably talking about this guy should go back to Florida. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
So as you can see, the new one is like some sort of cast aluminum, and this is plastic, so that's why the ears broke. Poor design by GM, like most other things. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna yeet it right in there. This drives your oil pump, and this rides on the cam. Your distributor is actually spun by your cam. So the cam drives the oil pump and the distributor.
I was reading your shirt.
Oh. You just now realized
Yeah.
my shirt.
I'm on the government watch list. Lord have mercy. That's funny right there. I don't care who you are.
That's damn funny, man. That's the funniest thing I've seen all day.
That's the next thing we'll be working on eventually. After this hooked is on going and out the shop and out my life.
So like 3 years from now, we might be able to be working on that.
Coolest build around here.
Right, Mikey?
Hopefully this year.
Yeah.
It's almost ready for paint now. Once I paint it, throw some quick interior in, I'm probably gonna get rid of it.
Oh, you're talking about the truck. I thought you were talking
No,
about
no, 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 no. That's not going nowhere.
I thought you were doing a bit.
Oh, no, no, no.
I thought you were doing a bit like,
No.
yeah, all it needs is interior and
That's
paint.
about this one. No, that one right there, it's not going anywhere. I can't get rid of that one.
Yeah, he's stuck with that one.
Yeah. Stuck with that for life.
Otherwise, the Caprice would probably be sitting there.
I will be shaving those taillights though.
Let's be honest.
Once we get this done and sold, and get the body swapped and Chrome Vic trashed, we can bring a Caprice in here.
Yeah. If I don't have a shop by then.
Well, if I try, I could get it done easily in a month or two, but it's just too hot right now.
Oh, it's wicked hot.
Yeah.
It's a scorch out. All right, so this is pretty simple. When we're dropping this thing in, I know that the plug was pointing that way. We're still...
Also, there's a gasket under here. Make sure you don't drop that.
Yeah, don't drop that. I mean, it'll just drop off and you'll never see it again, but usually there's a gasket installed or in the package. So when I took the old one out, two things. This was kind of pointed at the driver's seat, so that really doesn't matter, but what really matters is this pointed at the firewall, the way we set it up. We're gonna have to time the truck anyways, so this part really doesn't matter, but this part does matter. So I'm just gonna drop it right in. It's pretty straightforward. All right, so we just dropped the distributor in there, and we realized that the clamp that they gave you, it slides into here and it locks it in position. So you can't time the vehicle with this style clamp for some reason. I don't know why they would give you that. So this is the old style clamp, and it just holds the flange down, and that's what you want. We're gonna use the old style clamp, and we'll be good to go. We'll be able to adjust this thing. I'm gonna put everything back together. It's pretty straightforward. We're gonna swap out that red cap to this black cap. All right, so I got it all back together. Boom! Except for the fan and the shroud, but we're just going to be running it to make sure it runs pretty decent. we'll do a final timing. We'll probably time it again later on down the road when he's ready for it to drive on the road. But right now we're just gonna do just so it runs good. We might do it by ear, we might do it by timing light, we'll see. Most likely timing light. Don't worry, we're gonna do it right ish. Okay, Mikey's getting the key and he's getting some cold snacks, and we're gonna fire it up and see where it's at. So please hold. Up here. All right, we'll turn the key. Okay. We just started it. We can't get any more adjustment out of the distributor, but Mikey, go ahead and start it. Show you so it's running and starting, and it actually kind of revs up without dying afterwards. I don't think we have any fuel leaks anymore, because we did. Seems like we fixed the fuel leaks as well. Mikey can now start and move this thing out of his shop if he needs to. So if you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe, and go over and check out Mikey's channel. It's Soda City Works. That's Soda City Works. That's how it's spelled. So go over to his channel and check it out. Subscribe over to his channel, and if you're not subscribed here, subscribe here. I'm trying to push out some content. It's really hard when you're, you know, shopless and, you know, a poor little buddy like myself. So anyways, till next time, we're gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go
video on fishing.
Yeah, I might even film it. Fishing with Sasquatch. Anyways, this has been Fishing with Sasquatch. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. And
Subscribe!
And
Subscribe!